Want to save $25 on your Volusia County marriage license and entirely skip the mandatory 3-day wait? If you are planning a wedding in DeLand, Daytona Beach, or anywhere in Volusia County, you have to apply through the Volusia County Clerk of the Circuit Court. But you do not need to pay full price, and you do not need to wait 3 days. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed mental health counselor here in Florida. Today, I'll walk you through the exact local process, the fastest way to apply, and a legal shortcut to save time and money. First, let's look at the exact local costs. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Volusia County Clerk's office is $86. However, if you complete an approved 4-hour Florida premarital course, like the official program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee down to just $61. Your license will also include the preparation, administering the oath, recording, and one certified copy. Beyond saving money, there is a massive time-saving benefit. Under Florida state law, if you are a Florida resident, you are legally forced to wait 3 days after your license is issued before you can have your ceremony. But if you present our approved course certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 3-day wait. Your license becomes effective immediately, and it remains valid for 60 days. To claim this $25 discount and bypass the waiting period, you simply need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone, pause whenever you need to, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. There are absolutely no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the second you finish. Before you head to the courthouse, Volusia County offers a time-saving eMarriage application online. You can fill out your paperwork up to 45 days before you go in. When you are ready to finalize it, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You can go to the Volusia County Courthouse in DeLand at room A121 or the Stephen C. Henderson Judicial Center in Daytona at room 100. Bring your printed Cadenza counseling certificate, valid government-issued photo IDs, and know your social security numbers. They accept cash or credit cards, but note there is a 3.5% service charge for card payments. To claim your $25 Volusia County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions about the Volusia County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.